Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome back. Oh, welcome for the existing followers. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Where are we at? Are we live? I'm just trying to figure out. It's okay. I think we should be good, but I don't see it. I don't see it, guys. What's going on here? Um. Okay. What is going on here? I'm guessing. Hold on. All right, cool. All right, look like we're good. Sweet home Alabama. All right, good. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get started for a live session. Let me just send a message to our Discord, and I'll be right with you. Sorry, I'm a little late this morning, guys. Uh, where are we at here? Boom. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So welcome back, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. We're about to give you some trade ideas, break down some charts, answer your questions. So please be active in the chat because those get interesting when you guys ask questions, right? So we're about to get going. Let me know, first of all, if the sound is loud and clear in the chat, please. That'll be very appreciated. Let's see. Let's put out the chat for 1 second. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. What's going on here with this chat? Okay, we're there. All right, we're good. We good. All right, guys, don't forget, as you coming in, also to smash the like button. That'll be very appreciated also. Let me see here. Boom. Which is super weird right now because I'm going to... Okay, this worked. Okay, perfect. I was not seeing the live on my phone, so for XYZ reason, um, let me just try to do this again. Sorry, guys. We're a little... Oh, here we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. Okay, all right, perfect. Let's close this thing and let's focus. Because, man, when ADHD kicked in, it's hard. Oh, what's going on here? Hey! The fuck? It's spouse. Uh, Sorry, guys. Dog was going crazy. All right. Alrighty. All right, now we're rocking now. Okay, cool. Let's put this banner going. And can anyone confirm, please? The loud is good. The loud is good. Well, god damn, guys. The sound is good, please. And if it's your first time here, let me know where you're from. Let me know which pair you're trading, what you want to look for, and let's get started. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's start with GJ. There's an alert here actually on GJ saying GJ going bearish. This is always the first pair anyways I looked for because this is my scalp pair, but I also do swing on it. So let's take a look at it. So basically we got the weekly time frame bearish right now. We're really close right now to this weekly resistance. Last week we did reject it hard, so that's why I had to sell on GJ. Unfortunately, got stopped at break even, but it's part of the game. I was like 80 or 90 pips in profit, and Monday got stopped at break even. It is what it is. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily time frame is also bearish from a long time ago. Since this area to there, anything in between is just market structure. So we are bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily. Now, if you look down to the 4-hour time frame, we are also bearish, and we had a nice little pullback inside that H4 golden zone, ready to rock. We got an awesome engulfing bearish candle here on H4. Did I miss the trade? Fuck's sake. Hold on, wait a second. Let's see. Let's find out. Did I miss it during the night? Look like we're good. All right, so we just flipped bearish. Okay, so now the only thing I'm going to be missing is a little pullback here on this 30-minute or 1 hour time frame. Wait for the engulfing and rock it down, baby. Sweet. All right, we didn't miss it. All right, so let's update this line. We're gonna put H1 lower high and H1 lower low. Boom. Oops, wrong one. H1 low. Cool. Let's do the same thing on the 30-minute. So 30-minute whoa. 30-minute was bullish from there to there, and now we are bearish. Cool, cool, cool. 30-minute bear. Here we go. 30-minute bear once again. All right, cool. So here was a 1-to-1 scalp here on the dogtail setup. That was a win. And here's we got stopped at break even, unfortunately. So all right, so this looks good. So I'm actually gonna place a note here, waiting for pullback on H1, actually on lower time frame. Lower time frame and entry signal. Cool. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent. What time is it? 7:44. All right, we good. We good. This makes a lot of sense. Hold on, wait a second. Let's recap this. Sorry, guys. Yeah, especially after those rejection here. So when you look at price action, also when you see like 1, 2, I mean, let's do this properly. 1, 2, and about to have like a third big rejection above this level, which is the 192, 192 major QP. We're closing always under 192 right now. So very, very, very strong level. So if you have a chance to sell here, even if I'm pretty high here on the weekly time frame, I'll be willing, especially that we are Tuesday, meaning that this candle, the first half of the week, usually is spent building up the top wick. And once we are ready to go, we're going to start melting. Plus, another good indication is we already broke previous low here. So the probability are bigger for price to continue to the downside at this stage. Now, if you're looking at the daily, as I said, was already bearish, so that's good. And all right, we're good. We're good. All right, GG, definitely something that I'm going to be looking for. Let's see here. We got Jonathan Rios. It's good. All right, cool. Thank you, man. Thankfully, I'm not talking to myself for the past like 10 minutes. That would be pretty awful. All right, so let's get going. Let's get going. Let's keep rocking, baby. Let's keep rocking. Okay, let's go. CAD GPY. CAD GPY, ladies and gentlemen. CAD GPY, we are bearish also. All the GPY pair right now does look the same, with some difference, obviously, but yeah. All right, cool. So weekly, we are bearish. We got the pullback at this weekly area of interest. Last week, we had a nice bearish with a nice rejection to the upside also. So the thing I was waiting for here was waiting for H1 to go bearish. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's go. Let's start with the daily. Daily, we went bearish. Nice pullback at the golden zone. We respected the safety net right here, if I'm not wrong. Let's just double check. Yeah, safe. Holy shit, right on the dot. The safety net is respected, so that's good. Cool. 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is also bearish, and we got a nice pullback, and I'm pretty sure this pullback on H4 is, we rejected right on the dot the golden zone. All right, and this previous H4 is engulfing, so that's a good sign for price to continue down. Let's go down to H1. Sorry about, since I put the no gap candle thing when I have like areas, I don't know why my candles are fading, but it is what it is. I do apologize about that. All right, cool. So we were bullish from there to there. After that, we move up from here to here. So far, we are still bullish here. So as soon as we're going to be breaking under this area, this is where I'm going to start looking at this pair. So I'm still waiting for the same thing here, waiting for H1 to go bearish, basically. So I'm just going to put this right here and right here. Cool. Because here there's no elbow, here there's no elbow. So it's just waiting. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute went bearish. Let's see. So, whoops. So we went bullish from here to here. Yes, the 30-minute actually went bearish. So in this case here, I might be willing to take it, but I don't like the price action on the 30-minute. It's ranging. So I'm going to stay away and wait for H1 to go bearish. I'm going to put the odds on in my favor. But at the end of the day, trading is like, about putting the odds in your favor, right? All right, GBBCHF. Hey, by the way, guys, if you have any question, please ask them all. I'm going to try to answer them all weekly. And by the way, don't forget to smash the like button as you're coming in, guys. All right, so we got the weekly here. We got a weekly pullback inside that weekly golden zone. Beautiful. Also, weekly area of interest right here. This is perfect, actually. This is perfect. We are at a major QP, 1.130000. And look like we closed back under. Last week we formed resistance, and look at this week. This week open up, no bottom wick, and we shoot up. And now we're rejecting. So look like we're about to come down to create this bottom wick now. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is bearish since a while. Yeah, since a while. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, same thing. 4 has been bearish since like forever. Okay. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear this noise right now, but my wife is making her 2 shakes for the day, and that blender is going like crazy right now. Sorry, got distracted. All right, guys. Okay, let's wake up. Let's wake up, baby. Actually, let's stand up. Yeah, let's stand up. Get up, stand up. Dun, 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 dun. All right. All right, cool. So let's recap this. So we are bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily, bearish on 4 hour. Waiting for a lower time frame, pullback, and entry signal. Okay, I guess this never happened last week. I mean, we did. Oh yeah, okay, we missed the entry because I put this here, and price was actually pumping up. So the entry was at 1 a.m. this night. Yeah, but if you had like a stop above here, I don't know if news happened here during London session. I don't know what the heck happened, but it wicked up and I would probably getting stopped here because technically I would be using like a 5 pips above. So here, 5 pips. Yeah, I would have been stopped here. But the trade still made sense. I don't know what happened here. This is a crazy wick here. I'm guessing news. I didn't look. But yeah, no matter what, the trade idea, if this were to show up, I will take it, and no matter what. And even if I get stopped, I mean, the trade made sense, right? And as you can tell, the trade made total sense. But now, what happened now? What happened now? What happened now? So let's take a look at 30-minute, 30-minute. All right, so now this is our new. Well, actually, the 30-minute went bullish here. Okay. And after that, we close back bearish. So now at this stage, I'm just going to wait for another pullback here. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm still interested in this trade. So waiting for a pullback and yeah, so same shit. So I'm gonna still be waiting for same thing here on GBP Um, I like GJ and CAD GPY better so far. So I'm gonna leave this one in third place. What about USD GPY? Let's go take a look. Weekly. Weekly is bearish. We are on our way for this pullback, but look like now we're rejecting this daily area of interest here, which was right here. Didn't mark it down, but daily area of interest. So Friday we did close nice engulfing. We got a nice pullback. Okay, okay. What about 4 hour? 4 hour, nice pullback here. We are right at this golden zone on H4, so that's good. We got a nice engulfing also. I mean, man, those GPY pair look alike. So here, all right. So here, so far we are bullish. So I'm waiting for this to go bearish. Do I have any notes here? No. Okay, so I'm gonna write a note. Waiting for H1 to go bearish. So it depends on when it's gonna go bearish. I might wait for the pullback or enter right away. CHF GPY. By the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you are coming in. All right. And all right, let's check weekly. Okay. All right. Weekly, we are bearish. What the fuck is this rejection here? Woo, crazy. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, look at this when we reject hard this resistance. And did we close back on the safety net? Yes. Okay, we did respect the safety net. On the daily, what about 4 hour? 4 hours bearish, nice pullback also. Man, I'm telling you, those GPY pair this week, crazy. Pullback at the golden zone, awesome. What am I waiting here? So waiting for H1 to go bearish. Okay, so let's go check. Let's go check it out. Boom. And yeah, same thing. So I'm going to place an alert here. All right. So I think this USD GPY is definitely looking nice on GBP This one too. What about GCAD? All right. So GCAD, it's on the way. It's going to take a little bit here. Oh shit! Hold on. Wait a second. Did we create a new high here? Let me just check here. Oh, at the exact same price. Let me zoom in again. Whoa. If it did close above, it's by like a tiny thing. But so yeah, all right. So look like we're getting a double top here. All right, cool. So we're just gonna wait for this then. Yeah, so GCAD, I'm gonna put it blue now, because it's not ready. Yeah, we clearly need this pullback here. All right. So NZD GPY weekly is bearish, but we are so close to this resistance. Daily did close. Hold on, wait a second. Daily's bearish, right? All right, so cool. So we are bearish still. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour is bearish. We got nice pullback inside that. I mean, wait a second. Yeah, right inside that golden zone. Nice engulfing. All right, 1 hour. 1 hour was bullish from here to here, and after that we broke under, so we are bearish. Boom. You see, man, it's always the same thing. Very basic. You see, then when you find your rhythm, I mean, you just keep executing the same shit over and over. Waiting for lower time frame pullback and entry signal. I guess I'm still waiting for the same shit now. And I would like an alert around this area. Give me 1 sec. Oh shoot, man. Wow, that chair knocked me out. Holy shit. All right, cool. So, yeah, basically gonna be waiting for this, which is gonna be also retesting previous structure on that lower time frame right here. So that's perfect. Okay, actually gonna place an alert here right in the middle, so I keep an eye on it. Cool. So this one is also looking better than GBP GCAD. All right, let's do GCAD. By the way, guys, if you have any pair you want me to look at, and now it's the time to send it over. I'm gonna finish those, and we'll go over the questions. All right, so weekly is bullish here. We're definitely gonna be waiting for this pullback now. Oh yeah, GCAD is the same that we just did it. Sorry. GN, we're bullish. Pullback inside the golden zone. Also daily area of interest. And now we're just like playing around here. Yeah, I don't like this price action here. Yeah, no matter what, I need H4 to go back bullish. So that's why it's blue. It's clearly not ready. Euro GBP, are we getting closer now? Oh, man, this shit is just melting. All right. Well, daily, man, we're not even close to be ready here. All right, so let's remove the blue. All right, cool. I didn't look at the other pairs yet, so if you have any trade ideas or questions, now will be the time. Let's go check the chat. I think there's something in the chat. Check out Euro GPY waiting for pullback on lower time frame and interest signal. All right, let's go take a look at it. Euro GPY. Let's take a look. All right, so we got the weekly here. So this question's for John. All right, so we are bearish on the weekly. Makes sense. We broke that area of interest big time. Where is the next one? Next one will be here. We got support. Do we have anything else to the left? Nope, we only have two. The next one will be, I guess, here. So we got support, resistance. Yeah, we got kind of two support here. I guess on the daily it's gonna be cleaner. Yeah. So on the daily, yeah, this on the daily, this area is valid. So which we actually rejected. All right, no matter what, it doesn't really change anything. Here, daily. Did we respect the safety net here? At least we closed back right at it. As soon as we pass it, we close back in it. So I'm still good. 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame went here to here. We are bearish. Oops. Lower high. Right. Perfect. And where is this pullback here? All right. So this pullback, we reached the golden zone and now close back as an engulfing, like a lot of GPY pair right now. So let's take a look at it. 1 hour. So 1 hour. Where's my other line? Okay. So here, if we look to the left, yeah, okay, boom, boom, boom. We went bullish and bearish. Bearish from here to here. And after that, we went bullish from here to here. And after that, bearish. Okay, cool. Whoa, what did I do? H1 or high. There we go. Cool. All right, so now let's recap this for John. So we got the weekly bearish, right? We got the daily bearish. We retested previous structure here on the daily, so that's good. Where's the major QP here? 160. All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so weekly, daily for our bearish. We got our engulfing on H4, so that's a pretty good sign. Also, nice pullback at the golden zone, meaning that this pullback is probably done by now. H1 went bearish. So, yeah, just waiting out for the pullback, man. You got it right, John. Just waiting for this pullback. So, basically, boom, 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 and right now. So all depends here. If we can use our fib, let's say that the next candle is bullish, going to be able to use the fib. And actually, that's going to be from this wick to this wick. So yeah, around this area. All right. Actually, going to place an alert. Actually, going to place an alert at 382 as my first alert. I mean, this is not the official 3-2 because we don't have a support form yet. So technically, we cannot use this fib right now, but just for, keep a track on it. I'm actually going to flag this green because every time frame are in sync and looks good. So I'm guessing all those GPY pair now is going to it's going to be interesting. Let's take a look at the AUD GPY just for fun. All right, so here's a good example of a difference here. AUD GPY is about to flip bullish here on the weekly. Daily is still bearish. 4 hour. Went bearish, but we're past that safety net right now. So yeah, this one I'm not interested though. Boom. All right, cool. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see. Do you have another GPY pair? No, I guess all the GPY pairs up here, except for AUD GPY. Let's see. Do we have anything else interesting? Let's go take a look at the USD pair. These days are just like a little crazy. With I think because of elections or I don't know what's going on, but man, all over the place. You guys are super quiet this morning, man. What's going on? Man, is you guys keyboard working or what? All right, so I'm guessing the rest is all right. Let's just do a quick look. NZD-CHF. NZD-CHF, we are bearish. We went to this weekly golden zone. The daily is still bullish. So, yeah, not ready. Euro AUD, we are bearish. And on the daily, no, not interested. NZD USD, we just created a new high, so I'm not really interested. GA, we talked about it. No, is that G? No, we didn't talk about G. G just flipped bearish on the weekly time frame. So, all right, so let's delete all this. This is all useful. No, there we go. So let's go take a look at the daily. Daily is also bearish now. Okay, okay. Are we gonna get something here? Interesting. Boom. All right. So now let's go check on the week. Well, obviously, here is an area of interest where you want to retest. Oops, no, wrong. Weekly area of interest. There we go. So obviously that's going to be the first one to retest. But the thing is, we're not done moving down yet. So, same thing with the daily. 4 hours bearish also. So this I feel like G might be ready for next week, but we'll keep an eye on it. Um, it's not gonna be for now. Boom. All right, let's go take a look at the other one. GU. What about GU? GU just created a new high on the weekly, so not really interested for now. AUDGPY, we talked about it. USDCHF. We're bearish. Daily. Wow. Oh, this is disgusting. Like when you see price ranging like this, stay the fuck out of the way. Stay the fuck. Whatever. You got this. Yeah. Euro NZD weekly is bullish, daily is bearish, so not interested. I mean, yeah, if price action was looking nicer, maybe I will do a day trade if the 4 hour was insane, but this is disgusting, disgusting, very disgusting. 80 CAD. Oh, 80 CAD. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. Please stand by. Yeah, we just created a new high. So I'm not interested right away, but I love when price is trending. So probably just gonna move it up the rank and keep an eye on it for the next week. Actually, yeah. 4 hours also bullish, right? Boom. So here is actually 4 hour went bearish here. Boom, boom, and boom. Okay. Let's see. I think there's a chat here. Nothing crazy this week. Could be because NFP on Friday. Yeah, of course, NFP is like the Super Bowl. But now NFP these days, not gonna lie, it's a little more quiet than it used to be. Like I remember a couple of years ago when we were scalping GJ, and man, when NFP was coming around, holy shit. This thing was spiking up like hundreds of pips. Like it was insane. But now these days, yeah, you got a spike, but it's just like nothing crazy. Now these days, more CPI. CPI and FOMC are just stupid retarded right now. I think they're worse than NFP now these days. But still, yeah, NFP is on Friday, so got to be careful. Obviously, I mean the first week of the month is always like a little like you gotta be careful. But not gonna lie, those setup right now with those GPY pairs looks pretty good. And if I get stopped because of news, whatever, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna follow technicals, and we'll see. Give me 1 second, guys. you know, when ADHD kicked in and you forgot your dog outside. Oopsie. Okay. All right. I think we're good. All right. So AUD CAD, not for now. NZDCH Chef. Oh, wait a second. Have we talked about that one? Oh yeah, we need day to go bearish. All right. NZD CAD. CAD CHF. Ooh, disgusting. AUD and you high here, Euro CAD. Yeah, the rest looks like, and you got Euro USD here and USD CAD, but I don't. They're a red flag because I don't trade those. I just hate those pairs. Very, very, very bad. So I stay away. I keep here because sometimes people ask questions about it, but I personally don't trade them. All right, let's see. Any questions, guys? Let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, we got oh, this is not my personal stable, but if anyone interested in joining Photo Finish, I already have, like, was it John actually who signed up? Hold on, wait a second. Where is it? It's Jacob. All right, so Jacob signed up with the referral link, and I'm sending him a horse where he's going to be able to make money from that horse if you race it. So if any of you wants to get going and try this game, which is crazy, let me show it to you. There we go. So let's go check out. So I'm gonna send you one of the horse here. Basically, it's a horse racing game. Oh, look like I just sold a horse. Sweet. Yeah. So basically, you can have different races. This is one I just watched just before the stream. This is my horse. He's favorite, and she's on fire. She's on fire. So in this one, I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit. So my horse right here, the number one, and she is going crazy at it. I got another horse right here, number 7, Reef Duke. And which is crazy with this game is which is crazy with this game is you race horses, you can win money, actually real money. You can also bet if you want to bet. If you want to breed horses, sell horses, there's so many options you can do, and it is so fucking fun. Yeah, very, very a lot of fun. So anyone who wants to get started, they can use my referral link. And as soon as you're in, let me know, and I'm gonna send you a free horse that you're gonna be able to race. By the way, when you get started, they also give you a trainer horse, which is free to practice and see how it works. And when you're ready, you just raise real money if you want. And look at this win! Look at this win, baby! Let's go! Yeah, that was a solid win. I was so excited this morning. Yeah, that one is on the fire. So this one was the price, just to give you an idea. So the token, the in-game token, it's called Derby. So that's 9,600 Derby. So that means divided by 80, because $1 is 80 Derby. So in this race, I made $120 US. So now that, right? And I got, like, if you look, I have horses right here. I got 234 horses now, total. I got some retired that I used to breed. I got some racing. I got, I think, 70 racing right now. They're all racing, those guys. So when you have a couple of horses during the day, yes, you can lose some, you can win some, but I mean, it's pretty good. Right now, won 2.95 million Derby. So that means divided by 80. So that means that's $36,875. And this is no financial advice, guys. Do your own research, right? But this is fucking amazing. You know, this is fun. Okay, this is fun. Plus, if you don't want to be involved in the game, there are also their real token that's tradable on the market. It's called Crown, and crazy. Okay, right now, Crown. Just to give you an idea, if you don't want to be involved in the game playing, but you still want to be involved in a way, you can buy the their token. Right now is at 52 cents. This week was like 27 and went to 54 because they had some major announcement. The all-time high is at almost $2, and we're going back there for sure. You know, so yeah, guys, there was just a quick little overview there on this amazing game. Let's see. I think we got a question here. We got Joe. Joe, how you doing? Is Doctor looking good? And can you just do 1 minute recap of which pair are we waiting for entry signal? Yep. All right. So GJ Doctail setup. GJ Doctail setup. I don't know. It's tough with those kind of candles to do the Doctail setup. To be honest, it all depends on how it's going to close. It's closing like in 40 minutes. So we'll see. Still waiting on that pullback here. So technically, if I'm waiting on this pullback, technically H4 should pull up, you know. Yeah, we'll see. Especially after, if we see a small body candle like this with a bigger wick to the bottom, there's a big chance for price to go to the upside, have a little pullback. So both ways I might be interested. Not going to extend the TP though. It's going to be probably a 1-to-1, like very quick 1-to-1, like 15-20 pips. That's it. After that, basically looking for GG pullback on the lower time frame to get an entry. Same thing on CAD GPY. Actually, on CAD GPY, I'm waiting for H1 to go bearish. USD GPY, waiting for H1 to go bearish also. Yeah. Euro GPY, waiting for the pullback. Why didn't I put a note here? Let's put a note. Waiting for H1 pullback and entry signal. Bam. CHF GPY, waiting for H1 to go bearish. NZD GPY, waiting for the pullback on the lower time frame. I mean, they all look the same. It's crazy. GBP-CHF here, we are waiting for the lower time frame pullback and entry signal. GCAD is not ready yet. Like we're not ready. Actually, let's mark this down here. Lower low, lower high. About the daily, yeah, we need that pullback here. Need to pull back on the higher time frame. And this one, yeah, we're good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is it. So thank you so much for watching, for being here this morning. I'll be live once again on Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern for Forex Talk Over Beer. So make sure to tune in, activate notification, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Once again, trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Don't forget, it's first week of the month. Start the right way. Start with a solid trade. All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and peace out.